Ladies, are you tired of your husband constantly shouting and screaming, nagging at you for scratching his rims? Gentlemen, I have a solution. Buy your wife a car so she can scratch her own damn rims. But just buy it from Uncle B. Okay, Els, behind me, for me, this was it. This was Mercedes' most pretty car in the best color, pano roof, AMG spec, carbon fiber, Cabron fiber. The back seat 200 with drug dealer tint like yours.
Very nice.
I actually forgot mine. You can show the people yourself here with your drug dealers. There we go. What's up? Okay, inside, piano black. That's the that's the check sheet from the Recon Center.
Nice.
So it's been there, which means the car is sweet. Piano black on black. It's a facelift, which means it's got the nice new steering wheel and it's got the lights that go like this, not like this. So this means facelift. Hierdie ene hierso. Het jy hierdie duikie gedruk hierso, Els?
Ja, ek het my handsak op die bonnet geslaap. Just another Tuesday.
Just another Tuesday. En hoeveel rims het jy gekrap? There we go, one. Was that you, Els?
Ek het nie ja, ek het om hier gestel.
Ek het nie ja, ek het uitgevang.
Hy is net vuil.
Is net vuil. Okay, how's the mileage?
Stupid low.
72,000 k's. How's the price?
Also stupid low.
4,799. If this is your flavor, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, shoot Uncle B a message. We'll deliver anywhere in beautiful sunny South Africa. Uncle Bob's out.